A yellow Corvette, reportedly a homicide suspect, has carjacked somebody, stole their Corvette, and has been driving around Phoenix for the past, I don't know, half hour, 45 minutes is when we caught up to it about 20 minutes ago, at a high rate of speed all over North and West Phoenix. Got the Firebird police helicopter following them.
Firebird 2, Yano 2.
There's a Firebird helicopter, looking for the other Firebird, maybe to relieve them for fuel. Going under 17. There's Firebird helicopter, keeping an eye on them. And look at them, oh man, right in front of that truck. We've got the Department of Public Safety, Highway Patrol, and unmarked vehicles all over the place. They had talked about at some point stop sticking this guy, but look at what an idiot he is. Now he's running a red light.
16 and 3, I got you there.
Going the wrong way now.
Roger, Firebird, we're above we're at 2.4 Q3.
15's 2.5, and we're on your 6.
Problem with this is he's threatening everybody's lives out there on the roadway. Should he crash into somebody or cause a crash? Here he comes. Oh no, 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 no. All right, he's going northbound, wrong way, up a road here. We can only hope he gets back over into the right lane, the right side of the road here. Oh my gosh, no, 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 no. No, no, no. Oh, no. And him going, what is this guy doing? With all the wrong way driver accidents we've had recently. Pretty scary. Here comes a car, 2 cars southbound, 3 cars southbound.
1425, 1347.
There it is, DPS right there, baby. DPS. Has he got a weapon?
17.
Multiple units, 550.
All right, folks. Finally has come to an end here.
Firebird DPS.
This was the only way they were going to get this guy to stop.
315 is at your 6, about half a mile.